Hello children. In this video we are going to discuss chapter 9, that is days to celebrate. Students, tell me, do you all love celebrations? Definitely you will say yes ma'am, we love. We have lots of fun on celebrations, isn't it? Students, our country India is known as land of many festivals. All of us love to celebrate festivals and functions. We celebrate functions like birthdays, weddings, anniversaries with our friends and with our relatives. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about festivals. Now, what is festival? A festival is an event which is usually celebrated by a community. Community means a group of people as a local or national event. Festivals are of two types. What are they? They are national festivals and religious festivals. We celebrate some national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These festivals are celebrated by whole nation. That's why they are called national festivals. We also celebrate some festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas as religious festivals. Why they are called religious festivals? Because these festivals are celebrated by the people of particular religion. Now students, at first we will discuss about national festivals and then religious festivals. So let's start with Independence Day. We know that Independence Day is a national festival. Our whole nation celebrate this festival. Let's start. Students, can you tell me on which date we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, it is 15th August. On 15th August, year 1947, our country got independence. India became a free country. We celebrate it as our Independence Day. On this special day, our Honorable Prime Minister hoists national flag where at the Red Fort in New Delhi. He addresses the nation and gives a message to the people. He motivates us and encourages us to be proud of our country. Okay? Now we will discuss about Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. On this day, in the year 1950, our country got a constitution. Now, what is the meaning of constitution? Constitution means a set of rules for smooth running of a country. This is the front page of our constitution. It is Constitution of India. On this special day, all public places, offices, schools hoist the national flag. At Rajpath in New Delhi, a parade is held in which the president of our country takes the salute. Okay, now we will discuss about Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known to us as Gandhiji or Bapuji. He is also known as the father of the nation. On this day, special parades and meetings are held, especially at his Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. Okay, students, so that's all for this video. In our next video, we will discuss about religious festivals. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day and take care of yourself.